Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to share with you a Samsung keyboard feature that will change the way you type on your phone with Samsung keyboard. This is such a pro feature and I can't believe I've not been using it. I am absolutely in love with this feature. So let's go ahead and show you how this works. So if I open up my keyboard and go in settings and scroll down, you will see this feature, text shortcuts. So tap on it and here you will see this plus button. So if I tap on it, I can type the shortcut. So I'm gonna write S24 and here I'm gonna type Galaxy S24 Ultra and then I'm gonna add it. Now if I go back and type S24, Galaxy S24 Ultra shows up in the suggestions and I can just tap on it and the whole thing comes into the text field. It's so easy and it's such a fantastic feature. Similarly, if we go in settings, go back, you can create such shortcuts for yourself and your typing will become so much faster using this if there are certain phrases that you use regularly. So similarly, you can say USA and then here you can type out United States of America. Now you can add it, go back and type out USA. Now here you will see that United States of America is showing and it is blued out. So what will happen, as soon as I tap on the space bar, the whole thing will come automatically into the text field. I don't have to do anything. Type USA and you can see that we have this USA option here. Tap on it and then you will just get USA. Otherwise you will get the whole thing that you have selected. Now if I type S24 spacebar, Galaxy S24 Ultra comes into the text field. So this is such an amazing feature. You can create a lot of these shortcuts for the phrases that you use more commonly in your chats or in your professional work, and then your typing through Samsung keyboard will be blazingly fast. Let me know what you guys think, if you have been using it, and if you haven't been using it, how did you find this feature? Let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.